Hello, in this video we'll be going over the G and A first octave scale, starting with the G open, A which is G1, B, G2, C, G3, and so forth. So we'll be starting with the metronome at 80 beats per minute, and we will start in the count of 4. 1, 2, 3, 4. Next, we will be doing the A scale, which starts on G1, B, G2, C sharp, G3 extended, and 4-fingered D. And keep in mind of the sharps, we have 3 sharps, F sharp, C sharp, G sharp, and we'll start after the count of 4. 1, 2, 3, 4. Make sure each note is in tune and is in the same correct pitch as what I just performed.